Siemens has had an ongoing relationship with Queensland Health throughout the entire state, not just at Robina Hospital, and this has involved both new construction sites as well as ongoing maintenance in building automation and security solutions. It was through that existing relationship that Siemens discovered the opportunity for demand flow to help address some of the inefficiencies that had crept into the operational performance of the facility. Demand flow has been installed in over 200 facilities globally. This includes in the United States, Dubai, Abu Dhabi, Korea and now in Australia, in facilities ranging from hospitals to hotels and data centres to museums. Demand flow is a good fit for any new or existing hospital. There were particular inefficiencies identified at Robina Hospital because of the 15-year period that it had been developed. Over that time, parts of the chilled water system had been added to create quite a complex system, and throughout the demand flow process we were able to identify all of those inefficiencies and provide a really good outcome to our customer. So demand flow is a holistic chiller plant optimisation, and by that we mean we examine the entire chilled water system to come up with a solution that provides both energy and operational savings to our customers. And this looks at not just the chillers or the cooling towers or the pumps individually, but as the system as a whole to identify where we can make savings and improvements to their facility.
At Robina Hospital, Siemens demand flow is truly first class. We can prove this by the way we apply our variable pressure control logic technology, and we reduce pumping energy on our secondary distribution from 50 Hz down to 25 Hz.
Within a hospital environment, a chiller may use up to 20 to 40% of their total electricity consumption. Throughout the demand flow process, we can identify savings in the range of 20 to 50% of that chiller plant consumption, which can result in somewhere between a 5 and 15% reduction in their total energy consumption.
Being leaders in the building automation industry, Siemens has offered hospitals like Robina high energy savings as well as unique and innovative products and services.
Having public responsibility or responsibility for the public money and obviously our resources, providing sustainability in our hospitals is critical, and obviously the public expect a good result.
Siemens can implement demand flow technology into other facilities outside of hospitals which have high tonne hours, which means 24/7 operation, high capacity to achieve the desired savings.
Working with Siemens for this project has been an absolute pleasure actually in relation to consultation and engagement with the contractor. The project timelines and the project time frames were with key milestones and deliverables. The support provided by Siemens has been first class. Having remote access and their response times has been critical to the success of the whole installation for the site. In relation to the deliverables and the forecasts anticipated from Siemens, we've actually exceeded our expectations with that. We're monitoring it monthly in relation to performance and obviously outcomes, and more than happy with how it's progressed. So money that's been saved from the Siemens optimisation project is obviously a great result for the organisation. We look at pumping those funds back into frontline services and clinical services, which ultimately provides a better patient experience and a better result for obviously the public overall.